Hey there friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. This is the eLinkSmart Fingerprint Padlock. You can unlock this with your fingerprint, with your Apple Watch, with a key, or with the app. So it's right in there, comes with this. All right, it's fairly heavy duty. It's got a nice big loop there too. Okay, right on the front we have a little access for our fingerprint. In the bottom we have like a keyhole and then a USB charging port there as well. This is waterproof, zinc steel alloy, should be fairly burly. Right here we have USB charging cable and a couple of keys. Let's test this thing out, shall we? All right, just slide that open. So I've already set up the app.
Okay, eSmart Lock is the app name.
I'll always do reviews and then I forget to give people the app name and people are always asking me. So I try to get that in there for y'all. Okay, so let's check out the app here, shall we? So the app right here, we have a little unlock button. You can press that to just wake up your lock there, and then you can connect there with the boom, and now it's unlocked. So that was super easy. Pressing, like I said, you can use your Apple Watch. I don't have an Apple Watch, but you can do that too. If you want to unlock it with the key, just stick it up underneath there and give it a turn. And pop your key out. So you can add the fingerprint management. You can go there. Oops, this thing, it has a power saving thing on there. So if we go to fingerprints and we can add our fingerprint management, you can add another person on the fingerprint if you want to, authorization management. You can do account sharing. There's a bunch of different little options on here. Unlock it or lock it with just the press of the button, and it has a history record of like the mobile lock unlocks with fingerprint unlocks and things like that. So that's kind of cool. We can keep track of that. It has some other features here if you want the unlock position, fast mode connection, and then you can unbind the smart lock. So some nice features there. Just use my fingerprint right there to unlock it. Super responsive. Like I said, is waterproof. It closes after a certain amount of time, and it has a like I said, a nice big loop there. So it should be a little easier to get it onto a lot of different things instead of just like a little. Some locks are pretty small, like little loop, so it's you can't really lock up a whole bunch of things just based on the surrounding items around what you're trying to lock up. So yeah, it seems fairly durable and sturdy. I like the convenience of the fingerprint there. When I set it up, just took about 30 seconds. Hooks up to the app right away, nice with the Bluetooth. And like that, you can have either a key or your phone or whatever to unlock it. So it's pretty sweet. Anyways, my friends, thanks for watching this review. I hope it's helpful. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time.